The first case of COVID-19 was established January 21st of 2020. It is important that citizens are fully aware of and understand the precautions to help minimize and eventually diminish the spread of COVID-19.
The new virus COVID-19 latches onto healthy cell receptors with its spiky surface protein, while mostly targeting cells located in the lungs. In more detail, the viral proteins break through the healthy cells using ACE2 receptors. The membrane of the virus sticks to the membrane of the cell, allowing all RNA contents through the interior of the cell. When the coronavirus has fully submerged, the virus takes over and kills any cell it encounters. This molecular activity is activated by droplets from an infected person's cough, sneeze, and breath. Therefore, scientists and researchers have come to the conclusion that the virus is mainly spread through close contact. This instantiates social distancing. Social distancing, by definition, is staying at home and away from others as much as possible. This is one of the most important, if not the most important, precaution to take in terms of stopping and slowing the spread. This brings me to my next topic, which is wearing a mask and how masks work. According to the CDC, respiratory droplets that contain the coronavirus is the basis of the spread. Wearing a mask affects the virus at the molecular level by blocking any particles vulnerable to the face. This process is known as filtration, and the material's ability to trap particles is called filtration efficiency, according to the New York Times. The fibers of the cotton mask is bigger than aerosol particles and are denser, which makes it difficult for the coronavirus to enter. The laws of physics determine the route by which the particle passes through the mask. Big particles are easily captured by the mask because they are not small enough to get through the first layer of the mask material. But what about small particles? Smaller particles still have less opportunity to enter the person's respiratory system. This is because it has to make its way through the molecular zigzag pattern of the mask. The zigzag pattern of the mask creates multiple layers and obstacles for the virus. This makes mask wearing another efficient way to stop the spread of coronavirus.
Another way to prevent spreading the virus is by washing your hands. According to the CDC, the virus spreads by touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. Soaps have two molecules. One is attracted to water and the other is attracted to fat. COVID and other viruses have a coating of proteins and fat. When viruses interact with soap, the fat coating gets ripped out by the soap molecules. Soap demolishes the virus.